Welcome back, guys. Crypto Follow channel. Let's take a look at the updates for Compound Comp USDT trading pair with my customer set. And today I posted the video about the Polkadot. And you remember on Polkadot, we finally saw the signal take profit on the weekly time frame from this sale. Trade on indicator, and unfortunately on pump, we still didn't see. So I hope, of course, this week maybe we finish this downtrend, or maybe next one, but soon we will see the signal take profit. This is a money back signal. I hope you not skip the video about Polkadot. And sometimes people won't believe, so we should drop and we should wait that signal, but take a look. Absolutely almost identical price action. And here, sale, December it's on 44, November it's on 44, and we saw the signal take profit and the signal to buy. On Compound, guys, we still didn't see, and it's kind of scary. Here, the same story, December it's on 44, and we join in again, 69, $4.95 in accumulation zone, the global one, so the target's still relevant. The most positive case scenario for the Compound in one day, the magic and miracle happened, and we reached the 553. Unfortunately, no crazy updates, no crazy nothing. No crazy even marketing about a comp. Just recently, I saw this talking in top gainers with 20% performs, and I forgot about the Compound. So because the main video I posted in Zone 23, I guess, the Compound was the first token what I posted. In a few days. So yesterday it was like 24%. In a few days, it's pumped like in a few weeks. Pumped 68. But in a global perspective, it's nothing. And I posted the first video about a bull run plan for Compound. And imagine, since Zone 23, the target's absolutely still the same. So here, it was like May Zone 22, June Zone 22. Around here, I made a start the playlist with the bull run plan videos. And yes, we performed like 1, 2, 3 rise pattern. This is once again the greatest example of how the 3 rise pattern playing out. 1, 2, 3, and drop. What now? We are just can consolidate a year, for example, or two inside this block. So 495, 69.06. So yes, it's a wide zone, but I hope will not drop again to the $5, guys. I hope. On a Binance, on the Donald Trump dump, it was like buyback signal. We touch it $9.81. If we drop under 27 level of $4.95, it's going to be the price discovery zone, because we can't know where the price will stop. Positive targets, guys. If you believe in a Compound, not a Polkadot, this is a way. So if maybe some miracle happen, and we one day gonna reach again 3,250%, $553, maybe. Locally for this year, the most positive case, guys, will be if we hit just 197, so zero level. From now, in average, it's like also 1,000% gain, so it's amazing performance. So finger crossed. So one day we're gonna sweep this high, and test the zero level. After that, we need to check the updates. So now we are in accumulation zone. If you're not ready, guys, to see potential like 70% drop, 72% down, just don't touch the Compound. If you believe in this project, you can accumulate in this range, build the average entry for the long run. A month time frame, what I can say, no gaps, like crucial one only. This one is closed. Take a look how accurate the Compound form here till penny. Market makers do their job. So anyway, I hope one day we're gonna reach the 50% of this week, and a weird monthly candle, right? So $100 is gonna be like a magnet for Compound. So one day I think we will reach this target. Daily time frame, of course, it's some signal to buy, but we can close because it's just a noise. ADZ direction, daily, it's accumulation. This one, it's accumulation. I'm more interested in the weekly. Finally, here, this was accumulation, pump. Now we formed even the bigger divergence, historical divergence. So March Zone 22, it was the $97. And imagine, we formed a divergence on an ADZ, and in January Zone 26, it's 18. even lower, 1469. Kind of mind-blowing how sometimes the most unrealistic targets by price can be reached. That's why, guys, finger crossed, once again, will not drop 70% from current prices, but it's possible because we still didn't see the take profit signal. Accumulation was only here in April. We rebound a little bit. So now nothing. We can close these two indicators. Market mood, money power. Disbelief on a weekly, of course, guys, now millions tokens in disbelief area. Capitulation since January 25, so it's bullish all year. We dump it. Money power here. Finally, we see the money inflow. Last time when the money in we saw on a week on the month time frame, it was the June 22. After that, yes, with the new low, we saw the new high. So in average, let's say like on that low, 37%. So if the history repeat, 400. So yes, it's going to be only out of $69. So guys, unfortunately, altcoins perform so bad this cycle. Weekly time frame, yes, money in was here in November, money in now. Last week, no, nothing. So at least now it's not like time to sell. So now more about where to buy. Trade on, I showed you take profit, guys. So the last indicator. We rejected at the fundamental value, take profit line on a compound, it's 61.73 daily. I hope we continue going higher to 37 exit line 38.91. The most negative, guys, scenario if we just go and retest again the buy line. So it's 15.45. I think we will not drop that low. So we reject test till penny on the forward time frame buy line, rejected the exit line. So the negative, guys, scenario can be if we go to the exit line, 1, 2, 3 rise pattern on forward time frame. After that, form the correction to 15.45 and start climbing up with a new structure. So, guys, conclusion. Main positive case scenario for the future, if the stock will be still exist, it's 559. And local one is 34.50. So this is a target. Monthly time frame, unfortunately, there is not enough data yet. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about a compound. If you would like to trade with my customer service, I will show it in this video. Just write in the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.